This is an example of how you can upload some data here and create your own charts. So I've downloaded some Search Console data here, as you can see, queries, pages, countries, and so on. And I want to share with you a couple of examples. So let's start with the countries report. So once you upload it, as you can see here, you get a random sample of 10 rows and what the columns are. So one of the relevant options is to make a map. So we want to scatter plot, scatter geo, locations, take them from the country column, and location mode is the country names. You can put ISO 3, like 3-letter codes for countries. So as you can see here, each country has a dot representing it. So we want to make the base map visible. As you can see here, now it makes more sense. And I want to express the impressions using color and size. Okay, so the bigger the circle, the more impressions, and the closer to this color, the more the impressions are. So I want to make this a bit bigger. So let's put the size map max to around 60 so it's clearer. I want to put something called hover name, which is the country. So when you mouse over, you see the name of the country at the top of the box, and you can add some more data like clicks, CTR, position, and so on. Okay. Another thing you can change is the projection. So there's so many different projections here. Let's go with natural earth. And you can also change the template, which is the theme. Let's do minty dark. Okay, and we can put the title, which is impressions by country, and subtitle GSC data. And you can zoom in and out. You can move around, double click to go back. And if you're happy with it, we can download this and call it whatever, impressions country. Yes, replace. And now we have this file on my computer, which is a normal HTML file that you can email someone and study it later and analyze it with the full interactivity in place. Okay, so let me show you another example. Let's upload the queries table. Here's a random sample. I like the ECDF, which I'll show you what it is right now. So on the x-axis, I want to do the impressions. So we have this cumulative distribution. It's more meaningful when you have them as markers, so you see the distances and the gaps between them. So the top keyword here gets 1,050 impressions, and so on. But we don't know what these are, so we can add the hover name using the queries column. So now we can see what each one represents. We can add some more data like impressions, position, and whatever you want. So now the box has more data on it. Okay. We can add a histogram at the top to summarize the counts for us. So in this interval between 0 and 9, we have 456 queries. Between 10 and 19, we have 258, and so on. So you know how many you have. Okay, so we can select another template. I like to use the %. So I know, for example, here that 95.7% of my keywords have less than 147 impressions, or 81% have less than 33, and so on. Okay. Again, we can change this impressions by query and GSC data, and we can name this to count, And if you like this, we can download. Okay, impressions by query. Replace. And now we have these as an HTML file on the computer, just like we have the countries as well. Yep, so now you can upload any data you want as a CSV file and check it out, and hope you like it. Thank you very much.